What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We got some super exciting stuff for Eli's new whip today. The good old Golf R. Already doing mods. Hasn't had the thing for longer than like a week. I've had the Veloster for like 2 years, still haven't like done anything to it. And this guy's already got his paddles. What is this?
This is the Cts Turbo Resonator Delete.
Yeah.
Cause like I was saying, I don't like it being insanely obnoxious, but this like, when I listen to the clips, it sounds like how it should have came from factory. They should have had valved exhaust, and this is how it should have sounded in sport mode. So it just gives it that little bit of extra. And
dang, dude. All right, yeah. Beauty. So let's get, we just drained some more oil out of the Civic because it was over the full line, but that's done. We're gonna pull it out. Lude's already moved. We're gonna get the Golf in here for the first time ever and install a Resonator Delete. So let's switch to the Insta360 Go, move this out, and okay, everything's good, nothing's in the way. Okay. What?
The wheels, the sunlight, the mud flaps, it's tied all in so well.
Dude, the suspension just from that, like it drops once and rebounds perfectly. There's zero slop in the steering.
Good?
Good.
Yeah.
Good. Money. Boy, so the Golf R is in the shop. Just pulled the Civic out, and just from pulling it out, I mean, it just felt so good. This thing is getting minty, but now time for some Golf R action. Get this Resi Delete going, dude.
absolutely, man.
Hell yeah. That's gonna be sick. Do you think it's gonna be much louder?
I don't think it's gonna be like much louder, but I don't think it's gonna be like,
This will sound healthier.
Yeah, I'd say that needs a little bit of help, boys, so.
It has no business being that quiet.
No, not at all. Not at all. Trying out these new like pipe cutters. They're supposed to make a nice clean cut. Hopefully they do, because I heard they weren't the cheapest thing around.
yeah, they better make a nice clean cut. These will be like this, and then they just like twist like that.
Oh yeah, so it's...
And one just came off.
So if you're ever going for one of these to cut your exhaust off, don't do it. They're shit. We didn't even start cutting and the thing fell apart. There's linkages everywhere. Junk. So we're resorting to old trusty, the good old Ryobes, dude. We're gonna cut this thing straight off, so. She's coming. Oh. Oh, baby. She's a dangly boy. All right, boys, stock Resi is out. Let's see this thing. She's pretty big, hey, for a Resonator. Holy crap, man.
Yeah, it's not a bad size.
Not a bad size. That's gonna let a lot more volume through, hey?
Yeah, and you can see how it's like...
Yeah, big time.
Fits
That's
it perfect,
sweet, man.
right? So like if I wanted it up here, my cut was a little big, but
That's awesome, dude.
Heck yeah.
And you even got new clamps too. Seems like a pretty sick company, hey? Who are these guys? Park?
CTS turbos.
CTS turbos.
Or CTS parts, I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure they've got like a full turbo back exhaust. I'm pretty sure they make an intake as well.
Are you gonna do like the downpipe and stuff eventually? Or?
I might do downpipe eventually. I feel like this is kind of temporary for me for the Resonator Delete.
Yeah.
Eventually, I would like to have full turbo back with like kind of one company, so
Yeah.
it's not like a CTS Delete with the whatever muffler with a APR downpipe. You know what I mean? I don't like the Neapolitan.
Got to keep it uniform, dude.
Yeah.
Seems like a good brand to go with so far. I mean, they hooked it up.
But I looked up their turbo back exhaust, and the CTS turbo back sounds super good. It has like a deeper tone to it instead of just the regular one, because I find the regular ones for these, it's hard to make them sound like deep and good, I guess. These
Typical
sound a lot more
Ford
higher. Yeah, they sound a lot more high pitched.
Hell yeah, dude. Well, she's off. Old Ryobi came in handy again. Gotta love it. Shout out to Ryobes, sponsor. I'll take it. All right, gonna sand off the burrs and we'll get back to you boys. Okay, boys, it is time. Got her? Yep. Dude, bolts are tight, ready for startup. Woo-hoo. Okay, boys, first startup, Resi Delete. Let's hear it. You can hear a little louder. It's a little louder. You get more of like the burbles when you let off the gas. Yeah. Well, boys, there you have it. CTS Resonator Delete on a 2017 Volkswagen Golf R. What do you think? Complete stock exhaust from the turbo to the back, except for that Resonator Delete. And that's where it leaves you. Not bad, not super loud, but you definitely do get the burbles, the more aggressive tone. And, well, it's Eli's, so what does Eli think?
I think I have to drive it.
Think you got to drive
I
it?
think I gotta drive it to really get the feel for it.
Yeah. All right. Not much, eh?
No, that's surprisingly quiet.
Yeah, a little bit, right?
It's a little.
You get a little bit more for sure.
I'm surprised. I thought you would have heard it more.
Me too. Me too, honestly. But hey, that just means we gotta do more exhaust on this thing. Never a bad thing, boys. Never a bad thing. Never a bad thing. That was clean, quick, and easy too, man. Beauty of working on new cars. Gotta love that.
I don't love that. Oh yeah, you hear it.
Yeah.
You hear it at the higher RPMs.
You do get the little bump when you shift at the high RPMs. Yeah.
That's like just enough. Like that sounds like how it should have came from factory.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, for sure. Oh, absolutely. It should sound like that. But you really got to be in it to notice it, but it is noticeable.
Yeah, there is the DSG burbles in front.
Yeah, it is noticeable. So that's sick. This car is dope, man. Honestly, I love the DCT. Okay, boys, we're gonna do a little POV of washing the Golf R as well as the Veloster N. I'm gonna put the Insta360 on. We're gonna get to it. Okay boys, and we are all done at the shop. Both the new cars are washed. The Golf R got a resonator delete. The Civic and the Lude are getting into the shop. They're just gonna stay there for another couple weeks before we bust them out. Comment, like, subscribe though boys, and we'll catch you next time.